What if I told you this diagram took me 1 sentence to make? You just describe what you want and it draws it for you, live, in seconds. First thing, we need to connect Excalidraw to Claude. Click on your profile icon in the lower right corner, go to Settings, and then click on Connectors in the left menu. On the Connectors page, click Browse Connectors and search for Excalidraw, then click on it. Click Connect right next to it. And that's it. 1 click. No login. No separate account needed. Excalidraw is now connected to Claude. Let's go use it. Now I'm back in my Claude chat and I'm just going to describe the diagram I want. Here's exactly what I typed. I opened Claude and typed this, word for word. Draw a simple user journey for a Spotify listener, starting from opening the app, browsing or searching, playing a song, and either saving it or skipping. That's it. 1 sentence. And watch what happens. Claude starts drawing the diagram right in front of you, box by box, arrow by arrow. You can literally see it thinking. And see this open in Excalidraw at the top? If I want to open it in the full Excalidraw editor to move things around, resize elements, add colors, or share it with my Spotify team, I just click it, then click Open in Excalidraw, then Open Link, and it opens straight in Excalidraw with everything already there. What we get is a full user journey. User opens Spotify, home screen loads, first decision point. Do you know what you want? Yes, you search. No, you browse. Both paths converge on the same place. You land on a song, you hit play. Second decision, love it. You save it, your library grows. Don't love it. You skip, and the loop starts over. The whole thing is color-coded. Green for happy moments, yellow for decisions, red for the skip. Anyone on your team, engineer, designer, exec, reads this instantly. Now here's the part that makes it actually useful for work. You can keep talking to it. Add a step after like and save that shows the song being added to Discover Weekly. Done. It updates the diagram. No clicking, no dragging, just plain English. As a PM, I use this in 3 places constantly. First, Discovery Docs. Before I write a single line of a PRD, I drop in a journey map so everyone's looking at the same picture. Takes 30 seconds. Second, stakeholder reviews. Instead of a wall of text in a slide deck, 1 diagram does the job. People stop skimming and start reacting. Third, cross-functional alignment. When engineers, designers, and data scientists are all in the room, a diagram is the only language everyone speaks. The Excalidraw connector isn't about making pretty pictures. It's about getting your idea out of your head and into a form other people can respond to. Fast. Try this prompt right now. You'll have something worth sharing before your coffee gets cold. Link to the diagram and prompts I used are in the description. Hit subscribe if you want more PM workflow shortcuts. See you next one.